Everybody hope all is well. Crypto Hop coming at you here. You know, I've been talking about fundamentals being the most important thing that we're talking about right now, but I'm looking at some charts. I got to show you something. This is, look, I haven't done the research on to tell you why these candles are happening, but there's something going on. There's something going on here. Let me check it out. So there is some similarities here. What's going on? If you can see my cursor right here, the thing I wanted to point out, this yellow line right about here on my cursor is the 5 cross the 13 EMA. Excuse me. And so we saw the turnaround. Now look what's happening. This line right here coming down, that's the 100-day moving average. If this yellow gets across that 100-day moving average, it's very bullish, technically speaking. Okay. And it's crazy how these moving average lines, they're very similar. Watch this. This is even a more, almost more pronounced on Ethereum. The yellow right here is the 5, about ready to cross the 100. Wow, that's crazy. And it's, you know, it did the same thing down here. I'm starting to see these higher market cap projects and cryptocurrency are moving the same. In I should say the first four. The first four are moving very similarly. Let's look at XRP. There's more of an aggressive, okay? If you look right here, there's more of an aggressive push up, which reflected in this candle on this one. And then look at that, ladies and gentlemen, it's already crossed. That's the 100, right where my finger is here. This is the 100. The 5, the yellow line has already crossed, ladies and gentlemen. Now it's got to finish. It's got to finish. Yep. See how it's barely dipping above that 100. Okay, if it finishes above that, we're in good shape. And okay, so what is this? Okay, that's the other. Let me look at this resistance line. We do have, you know, XRP Army. I'm telling you what. Remember that 220? That 220 right there. That white line, I was wondering what happened. The wick actually touched it. See how that wick touched that white resistance line that I just drew in there? That's that $2.20. I don't know if you guys remember, when was it? A little bit ago. It was probably, look how strong of a support it was. Okay, when we start backing it up, 1, 2, 3, 4, we just saw it kept bouncing off of that 220. That's been a very strong line in terms of resistance and support, both ways that we're looking at there. So something to pay attention to. I want to look at this one last thing here, the green one. Let's get that off of there. What is this green? If I recall, okay, yeah, that's the 100. So on XRP, the moving average on the 100 EMA is a little bit further away. In terms of, look, the wick is about ready to hit it, but this 5-day moving average has a ways to go to get up there. I mean, if this yellow line crosses the 100 on XRP, boy, oh boy, and then we do get some good fundamentals that follow that. I don't know. Just get ready to take profits. That's all I'm saying. So yeah, I gotta dig into the fundamentals a little bit more, but man, those technicals on that chart are looking pretty good, everybody. I got a strong kink. It's weird how XRP it looks the most aggressive and the most bullish. It is the other way around a lot of times. You know, we're seeing, but that's what creates this maturity in the market. We're seeing Bitcoin behave a little more mature, right? As far as the volatility is slowing down a little bit because we have the institutions behind the scenes doing things. And so with all this crazy uncertainty that's been wrapped around XRP for its whole life, it's acting more aggressively because that clarity is coming out. Pay attention, people. We're in January here, January 15th. The Clarity Act comes out, and we're going to keep a close eye on that. And remember, focus on fundamentals. After this video, I'm going to go take a look and see what some popping on the fundamentals around the cryptocurrency market. I'll share it with you as things develop from there. Hey, like always, thanks for checking in, everybody. Crypto Hop signing off. It's going to be a good week. It's going to be a good week, y'all. Get it going. All right. Peace out. Peace out.